The Mi-24 is a large helicopter gunship, attack helicopter and low-capacity troop transport with room for 8 passengers. It is produced by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant and was introduced by the Soviet Air Force in 1972. The helicopter is currently in use by 58 countries. Unit cost, $12 million to $12 million USD. Introduced, 1974. Range, 450 kilometers. Engine type, Turboshaft. Manufacturers, MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant, Rostvertol, etc. First flight, September 19, 1969. Top speed, 335 km per hour. The loadout mix is mission-dependent. Mi-24s can be tasked with close air support, anti-tank operations, or aerial combat. The Mi-24's titanium rotor blades are resistant to 12.7 mm rounds. The cockpit is protected by ballistic-resistant windscreens and a titanium armored tub. The cockpit and crew compartment are overpressurized to protect the crew in NBC conditions.